Stefania. Hi, Mateo. How are you guys? Hi, guys. Are you going to do some wrestling with Mateo, Stefania? Some wrestling? Okay. Can you throw me a kiss? Good job. And kiss Mateo? Want to kiss him again? Oh, what a nice sister you are. Hi, Mateo. You want to do Itsy Bitsy Spider with Mateo?
Itsy Bitsy Spider. Tickle, tickle, Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Okay.
Twinkle. What was that song?
Twinkle,
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 little
little star.
Okay.
How
Twinkle, twinkle,